Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sharkoon M30 Black and M30 RGB cases. So friends, Sharkoon introducing new models following on from its popular M25 series. And friend, the M30 Black should be able to be integrated harmoniously into any work environment, and M30 RGB on the other hand should primarily appeals to gamers thanks to gaming style look with RGB fan and side panel made of tempered glass. And friend, both the M30 Black and M30 RGB have an elegant rather minimalistic appearance with clearly purposeful design. And friend, the front panel with rounded edges and large perforated mesh surface that should enable a strong airflow. And friend, near the front of the top panel, both case versions have modern USB Type-C connection for fast data transfer. And friend, there is also generous amount of option for cooling, and each case offers space for up to 7 120 fans, and installation of water cooling system is desired. There is enough room for radiator up to 360 either on the top of the case and behind the front panel. And friend, M30 Black, the RGB version, also have a silent storm BW120 PWM fan behind the front panel, and the rear panel has been equipped with the 120 PWM fan which has addressable RGB LEDs that can be controlled via included RGB controller to provide effects and adjust the color. And friend, the built-in hardware components can then shine through the side panel made of tempered glass. And friend, both case version offer space for graphics card with a length of up to 38 cm, and there is a room for CPU cooler with a height up to 17.2 cm, as well as power supply unit with a length of up to 22 cm, and a total of two 3.5-inch hard drives for 4 2.5-inch SSDs can be installed. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the M30 Black Mid ATX case is now available and it is priced at €69.90, and Silent Storm BW120 PMW fan for €8.99. And friend, the RGB version is priced at €79.90. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.